Today guys, I'm going to teach you how to make a beautiful homemade, yes, homemade vanilla essence. It's simple, it only takes 2 ingredients, but it does take time. Let's get into it. To make vanilla essence at home, it only takes 2 ingredients and a little bit of time. So what we need is a little jar. We're going to grab some 80 proof vodka and lots of these gorgeous vanilla beans. So what we want to do, and this is optional, is we want to slice open our vanilla beans and remove the seeds. So we're just going to carefully run our knife along the side of the vanilla bean to open them up. And these are gorgeous little seeds in the vanilla bean we're after. We're just going to then flip from the sharp side to the flat side, the back of the knife. We're just going to scrape out as many of those seeds as possible. Just like that. From there we're going to throw it into our jar. In with the seeds and in with the bean itself. So we're going to continue to do that with all of the vanilla beans. Once you've cleaned all of your vanilla beans and added them to your jar, all you need to do now is top that up with some 80 proof vodka. We're going to set our vanilla bean aside to infuse and become a beautiful and gorgeous and fragrant essence for about 6 to 12 months. The longer you leave it, the better it will get. So put that aside, let it rest, let it infuse. There you have it guys, gorgeous homemade vanilla essence. Put that on the shelf for about 6 to 12 months. It will infuse and become more and more fragrant.